Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you are doing good in your studies also. You are preparing your notes from our videos. You must have understood the bar diagrams and today we'll continue with the pie diagram. Diagrammatic presentation and in this pie diagram. Pie diagram is also a component diagram. But it is not like a bar diagram. Like in bar diagrams we make the bar on the graph, right? On x-axis and y-axis. But pie diagram is totally different. Although we are having different components, different parts of it, but this is a circular diagram. So it is a circle whose area is proportionally divided. जितना भी proportion है उतना divide कर दिया जाता है components के अंदर, right? And इसको pie chart भी कहते हैं. अच्छा, इसको pie diagram कहते क्यों हैं? Because the sum of all the angles in a circle, the sum of all the angles in a circle is 360 degree और 2 pi, इसलिए इसको पाई डायग्राम कहते हैं. इसका एक एग्जांपल ले लीजिए. पाई डायग्राम कैसा सा होता है, शॉर्ट में आपको अभी तो मैं आगे क्वेश्चन बताऊंगी. सपोज दिस इज अ सर्कल. हाँ, पाई डायग्राम मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होगी बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट यूज हियर स्केल और प्रोटेक्टर और कंपास. सो आपको थोड़ा सा मेरा साथ देना होगा. Suppose this is a radius. First I have put my protector here and I made an angle of, suppose here 85 degree or 80 degree, right? So this is 80 degree. The second angle what I will make is the same line will work as the base for the next one. Suppose next one is, this is 80 degree, next one is 90 degree, so this is 90 degree. Then this line will become base. Then the baseline will be this. After this, suppose 45 degree. Then this will become the baseline where I will keep my protector and make my another angle. Suppose again it is 90 degree, right? And this angle will be the remaining one. That means the complete the angles, the total of the 80 plus 90 plus 40, 45 plus 90 plus 2b is equal to 360 degree, right? I hope it is very much clear to you. The sum of all the angles in a circle is 360 degree. And the third one, it is not drawn on absolute values. That is, it is not drawn on absolute values means each value is converted, each component, each part is converted into percentages first and then converted into degree. Then we draw the pie diagram, right? Here. Then we draw the pie diagram. And it is also known as angular circle diagram. Angular circle means angle wise circle. अभी हम जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा एंगल बनते जा रहे थे और हम सर्कल कंप्लीट कर रहे थे. सो अब इसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे स्टेप्स टू कंस्ट्रक्ट. क्या क्या स्टेप्स हमें फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए पाई डायग्राम को. सो डियर वंस, स्टेप्स फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ पाई डायग्राम. पहला आ जाता है, इट कन्वर्ट द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स इनटू परसेंटेजेस वैल्यू. अभी हम इसको न्यूमेरिकली करके देखेंगे. सबसे पहला काम है हम इसे परसेंट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. दूसरा काम है इसे डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स द परसेंटेज वैल्यूज आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू करस्पॉन्डिंग डिग्रीज एज अ पार्ट ऑफ 360 डिग्री. फिर हम लोगों ने पहले तो न्यूमेरिकली सॉल्व कर लिया इसको. देन वी विल ड्रॉ अ सर्कल, राइट? एक सर्कल बनाएंगे यूजिंग कंपास और उसके बाद जो भी वैल्यूज हमारी गिवन है उसको हम लोग पुट करेंगे क्लॉकवाइज. इट इज रिटन क्लॉकवाइज. ठीक है. सबसे पहला हम लोग बेसलाइन बनाएंगे to draw angles. After first component is drawn, the new line will become the baseline for the second component. Second component के लिए जो नई लाइन हम खींचेंगे वो एक बेसलाइन की तरह काम करेगी. So I would like to explain this to you by an example. So let us see the example first. So dear students, just look at the question in front of you on the screen. In this, items of expenditure has been given. कोई घर बनाया, कंपनी हुई जिसने एक्सपेंडिचर किया. Some of the expenditure has been done on the labor, bricks, cement and marble. Suppose this is company A जिन्होंने लेबर पे खर्च किया 10,000, bricks पे 3000, cement पे 1500 and marble पे 500. And this you have to represent by using a pie diagram. What you will first do is, first you have to convert it into percentages. So first write solution. What we'll do is we'll make a box here. We'll draw a table in which we'll convert it into percentages, right? How to convert it into percentages, I'll explain you right now. Suppose this is items. Absolute value of the product. Percentage. And then we have to convert it into degrees, angles. Proportionate angles. So suppose first is labor, then bricks, cement and marble. Labor was 10,000, brick was 3,000, cement was 1,500 and marble was 500. The total of this is 20,000. So out of this 20,000, how much percent the company A has spent on labor? This we have to calculate. That means 10,000 it spends on labor, divide by the total expenditure done by the company A, multiply by 100. So it is 50%, right? And then 3,000, again same, 3,000 divided by 20,000 into 100, 15%. 1,500 divided by total 20,000 into 100, 25%. And then same with 500 divided by 20,000 is 10%. Now we have to convert it into degrees. Now 50% of 360. What we have to do is 50 upon 100 into 360. Save with this, 15 upon 100 into 360. Again 25 upon 100 into 360. 10 upon 100 into 360. So the values what we got is 180 degree, because it is 50%, directly half of 360 degree, 180. Then 54%, 454 degree, and then 90 degree, and then 36 degree. Now you can just check it, verify it by totaling it. Its total should be 100% and its total should be 360 degree, because the total of all the degrees will be 360. Now how to plot it into a pie diagram? Just look at here. First, what you have to do is, first you have to draw a circle here. How would you draw a circle? Using a compass. Right now I'm not having a compass, so my circle cannot be very perfect one, but I try to make it. Then we have a center of it. We'll draw a radius first. Any radius you can make. After making the radius, make it a baseline. After making it a baseline, just look at the first value you have got, first degree what you have got. We have got 180 degree. We'll plot 180 degree. How much will be the 180 degree here? 180 degree means half of 360 degree. So this will be our 180 degree angle. Now for the another one, this will be our baseline. When this will be our baseline, by putting our protector here, we'll make our next angle, that is 54 degree. So after this, we'll make the angle of 54 degree. 54 means you can make like this a little bit. It is it will be like this, right? Then I am not having protector, you will make it like this. Then after this will act as your baseline, and you have to make another line, right? Another one is 90 degree. So we'll make a 90 degree angle here. That means this will be a 90 degree angle, and this will remain 36 degree. अभी मे बी मेरी डिग्री गड़बड़ हो गई हो, but you have to draw it using a protector, right? You will draw it using a protector. I'm not having a protector, but you have to do it using a protector. So I hope how to draw a pie diagram, it is clear to you. You have to draw it clockwise. You have to plot all these angles clockwise, right? So that the complete complete circle total of all the angles will be 360 degrees. So this is the way to draw a pie diagram. In my next video, I'll also explain you the same pie diagram again with some other questions, so that it will become easy for you to continue with it. All the best. God bless you all.